Yeah, he has 15 specialists, he has 7 counselors, a whole team of physiotherapists, and total about 30 GPs in each clinic. So in fact, in that clinic itself, they do services like treadmill, they run spirometer, which we are all talking about lah. So they also do, in fact, they are in the process of buying a CT scan machine to do CT calcium scores for the heart and all that. So it's very comprehensive one. So in Adelaide, you can see that actually this is one of the clinics that I've been to. Things like that. So the clinical medical center is just a GP clinic, which is this part. Then they do a lot of skin cancer treatment. So they do actually biopsy here, treatment here. Then they do the physiotherapy on the level 2. They got first floor, but actually level 2 lah. Then this is the specialist center on the level 2. Now at the same time, you look at the bottom, they actually have pathology lab here. And this pathology lab is actually running together with the skin cancer one, so they can read all the slides. Yeah, and this GP clinic, and they even have an optometrist there where you make spectacles, dental, psychology. This is the psychology part where they do all the counseling. In Australia, the counsellors are paid by the government. So for example, if I feel that somebody needs a counselling session, they can just go there and they get it for free. Yeah, and but we claim it from the government. Actually, they pay quite a lot. I think it's about close to $100 per session. Wow. Yeah, so it's quite good. And they have dietitian, and another pathology lab, pharmacy, and the pharmacy is really like a bit like our Mana Pharma, but I think Mana Pharma is more because we do our not just retail, but we do the distribution pharmacy. So this is their section. So it looks like that, very simple, very nice. And suddenly, of course, I don't totally agree. Like chiropractor, they are chiropractor. No. They do weight management program, and as usual, a lot of the doctors are Asians, so they work until very late. So 7 to 8 is considered very late. Yeah, most of the time. Australia, in Adelaide, it's 4 to 5 only. Most times, yeah. And Saturday, of course, close. So that's what they do. These are the name of the specialists. So then now we do the SFL. We have a problem with the collection of samples, right? Yes. Down there, they actually have a box outside one, As a box, then together there's a lock, and then the guy you just put it there, and then the guy dispatch will come and collect himself. Yeah, so it's very straightforward, very simple thing. Yes. Down here you just can't do, you see. Very stupid, right? Yeah. How much is a letterbox kind of thing? How much is just a key, right? A lot. But we are too scholastic. We think too deeply into issues, and actually not practical lah. Yeah. So actually they do free home delivery of medicine and all that. So these are outside the level 2. There's optician. This optician. And the dental, they do a lot of preventive care. So dental, they also pay for doing preventive care. For example, after you're doing the thing, right, then the dentist will talk to you about how to prevent decay. So they actually get claim from government for doing that. And they give you all the free toothbrushes and all that.